Hello friends, very good morning. In this video, we are going to learn about a very interesting problem on the projection of a rectangular lamina. Friends, we have a rectangular lamina of size 30 mm by 50 mm, and this is resting on HP on one of these sides, shorter sides, whereas the side opposite to that is touching the right side plane or the right profile plane. And finally, it will have a shape something like this, which I have written here. So, finally, you can see this as a line in the front view and as another rectangle in the top view, and in the end view also you see it as a rectangle reduced to some extent along the longer edge. Friends, here the question reads like this: a rectangular lamina of sides 30 mm by 50 mm, 30 and this is 50, touches HP by one of its sides like this. Touches by one of its sides, whereas the side opposite to that, this side is touching the wall or the right side wall, which is the right profile plane. And we are required to draw the projections when one of the longer edges is in contact with the vertical plane. It's a very interesting problem. Friends, what do? We hold this perpendicular to both HP and VP with the shorter edge on HP and obtain the top view, a line of 30 mm length. Front view, the one which is in front of you, is 50 millimeter. And in the end view, you will be able to see the complete rectangle which I have shown as A double dash, B double dash, C1 double dash, D1. This is the initial position of the rectangular lamina. In the front view, you can see it is a line A dash, B dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, because the position of this is going to change later, and hence I have shown it as C1 dash, D1 dash. And friends, in the top view you see the shorter edge, that is this length, which is 30 millimeter. I have shown here, friends. So we have drawn the front view, a line of height 50 millimeter. If you want, you can see here. This is 50 millimeter height. And friends, in the top view it is going to be of dimension 30. In the end view, you see a rectangle. You have to visualize slowly. So, this is the initial position, friend. Now, one of the longer edges is touching the wall. So, in the top view, it is going to be on this line XY. Now, what I do, friends, I take the center A dash, B dash, and radius equal to 50 mm, the height of this rectangle or longer edge, and draw an arc to cut the locus, that is the x1 y1 line, which is at a distance of 40 millimeter from the right profile plane. Friends, this is very important. While placing the object, it has to be placed at a distance of 40 millimeter from the right profile plane, which is seen in the front view. So friends, this line which I have shown here, that is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, represents the surface of the lamina, which is inclined at an angle of theta degrees with HP. This can be measured, and it makes an angle of 5 degree with VP, that can also be measured. And you know very well, theta plus pi is equal to 90 degree, because in this triangle this is a right angle. Friends, after getting the front view, which is a line A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, let us obtain the final end view. Friends, the shorter edge AB remains at the same place, whereas these two corners C and D just occupy a place here. That is, this is the final D dash, and this is C double dash, D double dash. A double dash and B double dash will give you final end view, final profile view of the rectangular lamina. Friends, after we have got the front view and the left hand view, it is very easy to obtain the final top view. So I write a line from here, B and C. It will meet the 45-degree line here. Then write a horizontal from there. You get this C below C. That is C easier. You get it C here. And then you get the point D below that. So you get C and D, and this will be A and B, because the position of AB will not change, it will be at the same place. So A, B, C, D will represent the top view of this rectangular lamina. And friends, this is how we obtain the complete projections of the lamina, which is resting on HP on one of the shorter edges. This is a shorter edge on HP, and in the end view you see a rectangle, in the top view you see another rectangle, and in the front view it is going to be a line like this. And friends, you are able to find out what are the angles made by the surface of the lamina with HP, that is theta, angle made by the surface with VP, that is phi, and this distance of this CD from this HP can also be measured. This height will give you the distance of the end CD from the horizontal plane, that can be measured. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video without skipping any part of the video in between. And if you like this video, please share the information about my video and about my YouTube channel link with all your friends. Thank you friends for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.